This is a video I'm making because I'm selling my gun, my JT3 Airsoft gun. This is it. It is, it's just the gun itself because I've lost the stuff with it, but like, I got goggles, they were really cheap, they broke in one hit, nearly took my eye out. I got BBs, they're just useless. In the barrel cleaner, I will have a look for it, but I don't think I have it anymore. This gun's never jammed once. I don't think it would anyway. And even if you just have to get like a long piece of plastic or something to put in it. Anyway, metal bits, there's not many of them. Metal, plastic, triggers metal, the locking metal, and this thing for the, what you call it? Oh, my mind's went blank, doesn't matter. Well, anyway, it's got these blue bits obviously because the low and the two-tone, something stupid anyway, I don't really mind it, yeah. Like, but the bits of plastic, it's made of really, it's not like cheap plastic that you would find on a cheap BB gun you would buy from a corner shop or something. Like, from, I don't know if you bought from a shop that just sells cheap BB guns, it's not like that, it's like really hardware plastic, like, if I show you up like this way, you see it's really thick plastic. It's not cheap, you can like hit something off of it. That is really hard plastic. It is a pump action gun. And then that loads it. Can be fired. This is a mag. It can hold 15 to 16 bullets. Yeah, well, this one can hold more. A bigger one that I've already sold, it held less. It said it held 30, but it only held about 15. Anyway, I know there's not many of these guns in this colour. It's usually bright orange you get. I'm selling it for £20. I've got PayPal, so we can do like a secure transaction and stuff. But you all have to pay for the post and packaging. I can only ship it around the UK, obviously. But yeah, so this is it. And like I said, it is really made of strong plastic. This bit, this whole bit from here. Here, so this bit plastic bit, the whole bit for cocking the gun is all metal. And the trigger, and then you can just press that in and out and it will unlock. Press it in, that's it locked. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're interested, just leave a comment, a message. Haters can be haters, I've just done it the message, I really don't care. Bye.